Hi everybody, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So today we're at my father-in-law's house and we're going to take down a pine tree for him, and you will see it in the video that leans a lot towards a neighbor's house and shop. And so rather than spend $300-400 to get this really super tall pine tree down, we came over with some snatch blocks and some rope and a 4-wheel drive. So you guys hang in, enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this from Starkey Farmstead. What tree are we taking out?
It's easier to see from that side. It's leaning that way. It's the straight one right there. But that one's got to come this way because it's going toward them people's property.
That's tall.
It's tall. Taking out bigger trees than it. Well, I'm going to try to make it come this way. I ain't going to try. I'm going to go that way.
I like it when you talk like that.
It's going to be with ropes. My pick 'em up truck.
And a snatch block.
And a snatch block and a chainsaw. And safety first. God dang it, and safety. Alright, cut. Yeah.
That's what we're going to snatch block off of?
Yep, that's the biggest tree I got right here.
Alright, so for you viewers, or for me, most of you viewers probably already know, what exactly does a snatch block do? I mean, I'm just saying.
A snatch block. Alright, I'm going to tie a rope up here in this tree.
Okay.
It's going to come down to this tree. The snatch block's going to be here as basically a pull point. It's a pull point.
Okay.
Pulling from that tree, well, pulling from my truck to here. And from here up, pulling it back this way, coming the way I want it to come.
So without a snatch block, if you just had a rope, you would run the possibility that the tree would still go that way.
If you did it with just a rope, you would break your rope because you have to come around something.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you what a snatch block does in just a second.
Okay.
All right, let's go drink a drink.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting my ladder situated, gonna get it situated.
All right, so it's going on.
The leaning tree.
Yeah, right there. That tree.
Go as high as I can go to off. I'm gonna get my snatch blocks and stuff ready.
All right, so what does that do, Dolly?
This is a snatch block right here.
On the ladder, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that way you can take and lean your ladder up, grab your rope, pull it tight, and your ladder goes up.
Okay.
That should be.
I mean, I'm saying okay, but I'm really not understanding.
I know you're not. That should be enough to about right there where you is.
Just thought I would make that clear. So it's going to extend the ladder up for you?
Yes, this extends the ladder up, yeah.
Okay. So how tall is this ladder? 20 feet?
This one might be pretty close to 20.
Because you're 6 foot tall, and that might be a 12 foot. That might be 24 feet.
It'll work for what we're doing.
Y'all, only my husband. No, not only my husband. I think most men live for this. Tying knots, an important skill to learn.
We tied to the ladder.
Okay, so you tied the wrong end.
Yeah.
So the inner rope has to be tied. Why?
Because you gotta have a rope to pull the ladder up.
Okay. Yeah, because I guess at 24 feet you can't extend it up unless you have. What kind of knot is that?
It's a slip knot.
So it's loose unless you put pressure on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
How'd you learn to make those? Growing up on a farm?
Growing up, playing with ropes.
Yeah, you were a pretty good roper. You still are. So this is what Starkey Farmstead is doing today. My husband decided, how much were they going to charge you to take this tree down, Dad?
He never got a price on it.
How much do you think they would charge for a tree like that? Couple $100, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna work smarter, not harder today. When you can do it yourself, keep the money in your own pocket. That's the way you gotta do it. So we realized.
Then I tied on the back side of the ladder, not the front side of the ladder.
Okay, that's good though. Self-correction. That's how you get better at things. You problem solve.
Huh?
Problem solving. Hey, safety goggles on.
Safety first.
Safety first. While we lean a ladder against that of the tree. Oh, that's high.
That's really not high at all.
Can you go up any higher? Oh my gosh. Not happening. I'm not doing it.
All right. What's that? Now we got the ladder situated. We'll go to the rope. And we get the rope tied up in here. And then we're going to go to the next tree, snatch block. And start work. Rope. It's called rope.
You're such a smarty pants. How long is that though?
It's about 80 feet.
All right, and you need at least that.
Oh, yeah.
What's the weight on that rope? Like, I mean, you're saying rope, but what?
55. Yeah, it's 80 feet for rope. I don't know what the weight of it is, what's the weight, but it'll work.
It'll work. Y'all, this is redneck removal of trees. My husband's so not afraid of dogs. Nope, not me, because me and you be fighting with this chair. I'm not him. No. 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 Steve. I'm like, Steve. Protect me against Roxy. No, Roxy.
Go later.
All right, so what do you got there?
This is a shackle. I'm going to go around the tree, shackle, back into the rope.
All right, don't leave me here with this dog.
Made a loop, shackle, and that's what's going to hold the tree.
Okay, so when you get up there, you're going to go around the tree.
Yeah.
Because I won't be able to video, and then you're going to put that on.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Pause.
If I pause, I won't be able to get you going up the tree.
Yeah, I need you to hold the ladder.
Okay. He told me to hold the ladder, y'all. He didn't tell me where to hold the ladder. So finally he told me to get on this side. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I was going to take him. Do another. But yeah, you're right.
You know, men, you just keep your masculinity. Ain't no way. Not today would I be that high on this ladder. I don't even want to look up there, and I'm not afraid of heights.
No. I can't say no.
Doing his own thing. Trusting that I'm
already there.
holding the ladder.
All right, you ready?
What are we readying for?
I'm coming down.
Well, come on with it. See, he says, are you ready? Like, I'm supposed to know what I'm supposed to be doing. That was a success. You said my wife's making me nervous. One, getting the rope tied to the tree was a success. So, what are we doing now, Mr. Starkey?
Sit now. Go around this tree with that cable. And put a snatch block on it.
And, okay, so
and you gotta feed that rope and then hook it up to the truck.
Which is a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Am I gonna be driving the 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Why do I always have to drive when you pull trees down, dude? I got this. I can do this.
You can ask Daddy to.
We might be having Dad to drive the
You
truck.
might as well get to this truck.
I mean, I like to drive in 4-wheel drive and all that. I'm just saying. That's a big tree.
Alright. Cable choker that don't break.
Alright.
Shackle. Snatch block.
And how much weight will that snatch block hold?
20,000.
Alright, that's a lot of weight. Okay, whoa. What'd you just do?
This is the newer style
What?
shackle. Snatch box.
And then you put it in there between the shackles. Oh, I see. So rather than running the rope around the tree where the friction would burn through the rope and snap it, you run it through the snatch block, through a shackle, to what is that?
A tree?
A cord, that the metal thing.
Cable.
A cable. Wow.
A cable choker.
Wow.
Cable choker.
The things you can learn watching your husband redneck it.
I'm not like that because it's going to be hell to get it out. Heck.
You're so cute the way you looked at me like, did she catch that? Did she hear me say that word?
He said he got pliers.
Alright, so what kind of knot is this? Ooh, watch the sticks! No more sticks in the eyes. We did recently have that happen.
I really don't know the name of it.
But as you pull, that's only going to pull tighter.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the moment of truth. There's that thinking yellow jacket nest. Love a man. You have got to love a man. That can work. And he looks good in the soup too. What? Alright, so let me back it up so you guys can see before it comes out. Look at how that tree is leaning, alright? See it? Look where it would fall. And towards the house. So it's important that kids do not try this at home. Oh, Jesus. So he notched on the front side. Alright, there it's going. Starting to pull it back. Come on, Jesus. Yes. And ladies, I just gotta say, ooh, you gotta love a man. You gotta love a man that can. That was beautiful. Stay away from that nest, baby. They are angry. So yeah, the yellow jackets.
It might have not went exactly where I wanted it, but it did not go on their property.
That's what I said. That was beautiful.
Well done, sir.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Whew, get rid of this big heavy sucker.
That was beautiful, Stephen.
That's like that steel right there. I love it.
Good job, baby.
Hey, take a break. Treat it down.
Come here and give your wife a kiss.
All right, when you put your V-cut in it, or your wedge, cutting the wedge out,
The notch in the front.
notch, you take them from one end of the wedge notch around to the other edge, and that gives you a straight line. If your saw's cutting straight, it's gonna run that line. A little circle around it. I just started cutting
On the opposite side.
on the opposite side.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Because that's called a
And
teachable
that's
moment,
when
everybody.
The tree fell down.
Yeah, so your dad pushed the gas at that point, began to use the rope to pull it through the
Pull it
snatch
through.
block.
Yep, and it stood up, and once it stood up, and it got about an inch over, it went where it needed to go.
Okay, awesome. So everybody, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching me cut a tree down.